Why do we need sleep? Sleep is one of the most important things in life. Nearly all animals need sleep and some form of rest. It is one of the most normal things that we absolutely essentially need. Sleep is so important to our health and well-being. Sleep ensures you stay healthy and functioning well. It gives your body and brain time to repair, restore and re-energize. Your brain most certainly cannot function properly without sufficient sleep. Rest, as in just sitting down or lying down, just doesn't cut it. You have to close your eyes and most certainly sleep. It is recommended that humans sleep between 7 to 9 hours every night. Some people sleep in the day with sleep patterns of 10 to 12 hours of sleep per day. Both less than 7 hours of sleep and more than 12 hours of sleep can have dampening effects on health. Too much sleep can cause obesity, while too little sleep can cause so many problems such as heart disease, kidney disease, diabetes, and obesity. Without sufficient sleep, your brain will start to short circuit. Your performance levels will be drastically affected. You most certainly will lose grip of reality. Too many sleepless nights will lead to organ failure. Eventually your brain and body will break down. In rare cases it can cause death. So yes, sleep is important. It is best if you can ensure you get at least 7 hours of sleep every night. However, do limit sleep, as too much sleep can be bad for you. Now you understand why you need sleep. Sleep is vital to normal body functioning. You could die if you do not get enough sleep. That is from us here at An Info. If you enjoyed that, do drop us a like. Your likes actually grow this channel. Subscribe to us to stay informed.